In this video, I am going to show you how to log meals faster in MacroFactor. So this question is asked especially for people that didn't find the food that they ate here in MacroFactor, if it's some custom food. So if you go, here's an example, to the food log, you'll be able to add the food wherever you eat it or whenever you eat it or your meal. So let's say I ate something at 7 p.m. Here as you can see, you don't want to like keep looking for it. So let's say, I don't know, I ate some eggs, then I ate some stuff, then I ate some stuff. So there are some options that can help you out, making this log meals faster. Especially if you eat or if you ate something that is that you bought it, like I don't know, some drink, some canned food or something like that, you'll be able to scan its QR, or not the QR, their barcode. You can scan the barcode of it, and if you scan the barcode of it, it will be added automatically, which will make it add faster. Of course, you can also let's go right here again. Example, let's say you're on dashboard, you can click on the plus button and you'll be able to click here on barcode. And as you can see, you'll be able to see here or to add this right away to your food logs. Of course, there's, as an example, some custom foods that you may not even find even if you scan it. Like, let's say, example, this one. I add here some custom food. You'll be able to click on it and click on copy. As you can see, it will be copied. Now I can go and say I eat it here as well. So this is also a useful thing to add this again to make like login meals faster. So let's say even like from some previous days, let's say something here, as example, I ate something here, I can just go and copy it and add it today, as you can see. So that's how you may basically log meal faster. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.